Hi, my name is Sam and thank you for checking out my course, A Beginner's Guide to Delivering Sound Baths. Now, when I first started dipping my toes into this area of sound baths, there weren't many courses available. And the ones that were, they didn't quite cover all the key topics that I would have found interesting or useful. So I've tried to do that for you. I've created a course that at the end of it you will feel confident and knowledgeable in this subject area so that you can go out and deliver life-changing sound bath experiences. Some of the things we'll cover in this course are, of course, what kind of instruments you could use in your sound bath session, how to play them, along with some helpful video demonstrations of me playing so that you can follow along and learn too. Things like, what are the different types of mallets, beaters, wands? How do I know which one to choose? We'll also cover essential things like how do I structure and format my sound bath session? What should I include in it? We've got lots of incredible resources for this course, PowerPoint slides like you can see here. We've got a course handbook which summarises all of the learning that will take place, along with spaces for you to write your own notes as you go along. We've also got videos, demonstration videos and lectures for you to work through at your own pace. This course is ideal for complete beginners who just don't know where to begin with their sound bath journey. Maybe you've attended some sessions and you want to get into facilitating and delivering life-changing sound bath sessions. Well, this is a great place to start. Check out the free previews, and if you decide that this is right for you, hit the enroll button, and I can't wait to see you in the first video.